Well, here we are. The adventure has officially begun. We've made the big leap from city life to a brand new life in the country. And let me tell you, it's been a journey. After months of dreaming and planning, we packed up everything we could fit and headed out for a fresh start. It wasn't a short trip. In fact, it felt pretty long, especially for the pups, but they were absolute champs. They spent most of the drive curled up, fast asleep, just as content as could be. We finally arrived, and the reality of our new home hit us. The house? Well, it's going to be a big project. It's definitely going to need a complete reshaping. We're talking about gutting it out and remodeling it from the ground up. It's a little overwhelming, but also incredibly exciting. There's so much potential here, and we're ready to bring it back to life. But that's not all. The yard is a whole new adventure in itself. It's a gorgeous place, but it just needs lots of TLC, flowers, gardens, but it is a great space for the pups to run. And speaking of the pups, they're absolutely in their element here. The yard is so much bigger than anything we had in the city, and they're loving every second of it. They've got room to roam, to explore, and to just be dogs. Watching them run around in their new acreage is one of the happiest sights we've seen. Of course, there's more to this than just the house and the yard. We're not just changing our physical space, we're changing our lifestyle. We're embracing a slower, simpler way of living, one that's rooted in faith and aiming to grow our own food, building things with our hands, and creating a home that reflects how we want to live our lives. It's not all going to be easy, but that's part of the fun of it. Each challenge we face is an opportunity to learn, grow, and build something lasting. As we take on this new journey, we know we're not alone. There are so many others who've walked this path before us. People who left behind the hustle and bustle of city life to chase their dream of a simpler, more fulfilling life in the country. I'm going to share a couple of clips of their stories with you, because if they can do it, so can we. So, whether you're here because you've been dreaming of a life like this, or maybe you're just curious about how it all works, we're so glad you've joined us. We're diving in and are excited to take you along with us as we tackle each project and each step forward in our new life. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a single update. And hey, if you know anyone who's dreaming of a life like this, share this channel with them too. We're all about community, sharing, and learning together. This is just the beginning, and we can't wait to see what's next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.